everyone, welcome back to my channel The Beauty Blizz. My name is Aishwarya and in today's video I'm going to share a base makeup routine for those who have dry skin. So this is going to be a beginner guide for those who have dry skin and they want to do a proper base makeup without making their skin more dry. So in this video you're going to learn which are the products that are recommended for a dry skin person to make their base makeup more flawless and glowy like this. So as you can see how glowy this base makeup is right now. Even I'll mention which product I'm using and the reason behind that product in this video. If you want this glow, you have to watch this video till end. So without wasting any time, let's get started with this guide. So first I'm going to start with applying this hydrating primer from Swiss Beauty. This is a really versatile primer. It also helps to moisturize your face at the same time and also adds a beautiful glow to your skin. So the shade of my primer is 01 Natural Tint, and this primer also helps to minimize the appearance of pores, fine line on my skin, and it's making my skin ready for the makeup. Now I'm using this Drop the Base Serum Foundation from Sugar and my shade is 50. The reason behind using this serum based foundation is that it will help to moisturize my skin and it prevent my skin for drying. And you should also opt for a serum foundation or any foundation which gives dewy finish rather than opting for a matte finish foundation, because that will dry your skin and also give a cakey finish to your skin. So now I'm going to use this hydrating concealer as well, and this concealer I'm using from Swiss Beauty and my shade is Warm Sand, and I really love this concealer. You must have seen this concealer almost in my every video because it's so good and it gives a good coverage to your skin at the same time. Also it is not drying at all, and yes, this concealer is good to give a dewy like finish and adds up a glow to your skin. To set my base makeup, I'm going to use this compact powder from Sugar Cosmetics and the shade that I'm using is 45. So to the people who have dry skin, must always go for a compact powder rather than banana powder or translucent powder, because that will definitely dry your skin. Also during application, I'm going to use the same sponge that comes with this compact, and I'm going to take the product with the help of that sponge and going to apply only on my under eyes, over my eyelids and area near my mouth, and rest of the product that is on the sponge I'm just going to dab it on my entire face. I'm not going to take any extra product for its application on my entire face. For my blush, I'm going to use this Earth Rhythm Lip and Cheek Tint. So people with dry skin should always go and prefer for either cream product or liquid based product. They should not go for a powder based product, as definitely that will dry their skin up very quickly. So for highlighter, I didn't had any cream based highlighter, so I'm just using this highlighting primer from Swiss Beauty, and I'm going to apply this as an highlighter on my high points of my face, and you are going to see the results of this primer is so good that it really acts like a highlighter as well. That's why I mentioned earlier, this is a really versatile product. You can use as a moisturizer, primer and highlighter. Also guys, I would like to tell you one thing. The products that I have shown in this video, it's not necessary for you all to use the same products. You can use any products of your choice. So guys, you can definitely see how glowy and dewy finish I got on my skin without drying my skin at all. You can also achieve this same look, just you have to follow this few simple steps that I have shown in this video. So this is how my base is looking after completing the entire makeup, and I hope you guys really find this video helpful. If you did find this video helpful, do let me know in the comment section below. So guys, I will see you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.